Hi, Jerry from Comfort here again. Today I want to talk about the awning window. The awning window is an amazing window that actually opens from the bottom out. Very unique in the industry, one of the tightest ceiling windows that we also make. It's available in double glass, triple glass, quad shield glass, and as you can see right here, this is a special what they call glue chip glass, which gives you kind of a frosted look, maybe a little bit more obscure. Now what makes the awning window unique is we have locks, a dual lock on each side of the window that pulls it closed. And when you want to crank this window out, you just turn it nice and easy and it pushes out from the bottom. Now the nice thing about this, you can leave it open during the rain. You can crack it a little bit, you can get your ventilation, but the rain doesn't come in, so it's a perfect window for bathrooms and even over the kitchen sink, because in a full-size version, you don't have any bars that you're looking through. There's no cross members. It's a clean look to your backyard. When you want to close the window, you're just going to crank it closed. These windows will never stick because they're made of pure virgin vinyl. You're not going to have to go outside and pound them closed. All you do is touch them to the weather stripping, let the lock on each side do the job, pulls the window in, collapse the handle out of the way, done. Now you can pull your mini blinds down over this. Comfort manufactures this awning window right here in central New York, and it comes with Comfort's all-inclusive warranty, something that really helps out in the future.